Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide wallpapers in Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click here on either installed or even workshop where you look for new wallpapers. I'll come here to installed, and then I want you to click here on filter results. You can do this on both these sections, and what you need to do now is go ahead and remove some tags. Let's say you do not want to see anime related wallpapers. You just go ahead and toggle this one. And now, as you can see, we have filtered out the anime ones. They are now gone. And if I click on it again, they actually come back. You can do the same thing with Workshop as well, and it will actually work the same way. And then what you could also do is you could also filter by age rating. So if you do not want the mature ones to show up, you just toggle these ones off. And here under installed, you could also go a step further and make sure to disable the mature ones, and you could also just keep your own wallpapers showing here. Really that easy. You just need to filter accordingly. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.